My name's Maury, and I like to fix shit. Hi everyone, we're in the shop today. Finished giving the kids dinner, and we got time for a little quickie repair here. 2 trowels. I don't know about you, but I find myself caught between wanting to buy tools that are going to last me a lifetime and not being broke. Sometimes I buy shitty tools. Has broken 2 trowels in the last week, so I figure it's time to rectify the situation. I'm going to do 2 different repairs on this. One repair is just going to be put it back together and weld it up, and the other one, I think I'm going to try something a little more extreme and create a new handle for it altogether. So let's get at her. This is my welder. It runs off a regular 110 outlet, so it's not super powerful, but it's enough to get the job done. If you've never welded before, it's really easy to be a shitty welder. It takes a lot of skill to be a good welder, but fortunately for us, we don't need to be good welders for this kind of project. Think of it, it's a hot glue gun for metal. The handle is just meant to sit here and get welded. It was only welded a little bit at the back here, and I guess perhaps it was meant to sit in this hole here. Place with a magnet, weld places that I can basically, and strengthen it up. In addition to that, this piece here that kind of takes a lot of the pressure, I think that's quite thin, so I'm going to put a bunch of weld in this spot too to strengthen that up. Beautiful? Probably not. Functional? Definitely. For trowel number 2, there really isn't much of the way of surface area to weld this back on. So I think I'm going to try and make another handle out of scrap rebar that I have lying around here. First job, I'm going to try and flatten this guy out a little bit. Noise alert. Time for some welding. happy with the way those turned out. Thanks for joining me in the shop, and let me know what you think I should fix next. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.